In this video, I'm going to show you all the different roles that WordPress comes with. Now, these are typically out of the box, and they are subscriber, contributor, author, editor, and administrator. Most people, when you sign up, and of course when you create your first account in WordPress, the role is administrator. But in this video, let's take a look at what exactly you can and can't do with each role. The first role we're going to take a look at is subscriber, and as you can see, and this user basically can't really do much aside from creating an account. They has information if this is what kind of the things that your site offers. This is if basically a user can create a site, create an account, basically to make comments. Because you can see here the dashboard, they don't have access to any of the admin features, just kind of the generic WordPress things that are going on with the site. So in this, think of subscriber as somebody who's just basically going to make comments to your site. As you can see now in the contributor role, now you get some more functionality. Here you can create posts, create, in this instance, some of the plugins. We have featured content and different things like that. Profile in the tools section, they have really nothing to look at here. So basically think of the contributor as somebody who can create posts for your site. Like we have here, so we'll have the ability to add a new post if we'd like, because we are contributing to the site. We're not managing it, we're contributing it. As well as being able to view the comments, but not necessarily manage any comments, but they can view them. And this is for the contributor role of the website. Here we have the author role, same role as the contributor where you can post content. This time now you have access to the media library, so you're allowed to upload different media, different images, videos, PDFs. You have the ability to do that. You don't necessarily have the ability to delete anything, but you're allowed to upload things. Comments, same rules apply. Can't really manage any of the comments per se. You can't delete them. As far as tools goes, for the author role, again, no tools. So think of this one as an author, as now you've got a little bit more leeway. You can upload some items for your articles. You can't necessarily delete anything. You can create posts. You don't have any access to tools. So a little bit more leeway than as an author rather than a contributor. Editor now expands the things that you can do on the WordPress site. Now we have the links section is now open up to the editor, as well as the pages. So think of posts on a WordPress site as blog posts, where pages are more services. So say if you have a business site, you're going to have your services in the pages section, but you're going to have how to fix clog sync in your post section. So posts are considered like blog posts. Pages would be like your service pages, your location pages, that kind of things. Comments. Now you have the ability to manage comments. You can unapprove them and send them to spam, edit them, those kind of things. As far as your tools section goes, still no tools allowed, but for an editor, they pretty much have control of all the content through the site, whether that's the uploading of the media, adding links, creating pages, creating posts, managing the comments. Their dashboard now has a little bit more to show, almost like the standard one, but still no tools and no plugin access whatsoever. Finally, you have the administrator, and they have access to everything possible that your website has, from managing the appearance of the site to working with plugins, all the tools that are available, all the settings. Clearly, administrator has the access to it all. So if you're a WordPress site owner, the main things that you would want to focus on as far as the roles go when you're going to create a user, think of subscribers as people making comments. You can use other plugins like a Discuss to manage your comments if you want. Subscriber, comment, editor, basically as carte blanche to all the content of your site, and author doesn't have access to pages. So if you're having somebody to just write blog posts for you, you'd probably want to set them up as an author. If you're having somebody manage your site, you would want to have that be an editor that has full access to all the different things. And finally, administrator, that's if you want them to have access to everything of the site.